And the second thing is that some of the students have studied computer science in their higher secondary school, and some of the students have not studied computer science before. So I will try to make the content in a way that it is taking you from the base until the maximum point where we want you to take. So first of all, what is computer science? You know, the computer science is a study of hardware, software, programming, networks, graphics, robotics, database, security, algorithmic solutions, and information processing. So computer science is just a vast field nowadays that it has applications in almost every field of the real world. So you can just name the fields and you will see the application of computer science. So for example, today the telecom industry is looking for computer scientists to get job over there and to work. And then banks, hospitals, software houses, service industry, then park parking, then freelancing is one of the biggest things nowadays, insurance, then data entry. So all of these jobs are available in Pakistan at the moment, and those are related with the computer industry. So here we have explored the jobs by function. So let's try to explore jobs by industry. So if we explore jobs by industry within the same portal, so you can see that here again 1,274 jobs are available for information technology, and then call center 200 jobs are available, telecommunication 144 jobs are available. So you can see that other areas Assalamu alaikum. In this topic, we will cover basically the introduction to this course. So whenever you want to learn a course, there are two strategies. One is known as breakfast and other is known as breakfast. So in breakfast strategy, you normally understand overall what is the course, and then you go in the details vertically in each topic. And in breakfast strategy, you try to master one topic industry and domain and in the software domain. So we will study immediately this concept. Then the data storage, whatever data you enter into the computer, or computer reads and gives you back, that data is stored somewhere in the hardware. And how that data is stored in the hardware, that is science. And when we study that science, for example, you know the computer science has only language of 0 and 1, which we know as binary language. So computer does not understand English, Urdu, Pashto, Punjabi, it only understands binary language. So how your natural language, some data which is written in English or numeric values, those are converted into 0 and 1s, and how that is stored in your computer, in your hard drive, how that is science. So we will study data navigation, and that doesn't end here. Additional abstractions, there are no other data navigation procedures we will study. Then we will study operating system. So you know one example of operating system is Windows. So which operates all the hard
इंट्रोडक्शन टू ई लर्निंग। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ई लर्निंग दरअसल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लर्निंग, यहाँ तक कि इंटरनेट से मुंसलिक सेलुलर फोन जैसे डिजिटल आलात के जरिए तालीम और ट्रेनिंग के हसूल का नाम है। इस तरह से इन डिजिटल डिवाइसेस को इस्तेमाल करने वाले किसी भी वक्त और कहीं से भी बगैर किसी रुकावट के आसानी के साथ लर्निंग कर सकते हैं। गार्टनर ई लर्निंग को कुछ इस तरह से डिफाइन करता है: द यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर लर्निंग इन और आउटसाइड ऑफ अ क्लासरूम, यानी तलबा ऑनलाइन दस्तयाब तालीमी मवाद का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और इंटरनेट पर मौजूद पहले से रिकॉर्ड शुदा ऑडियो वीडियो लेक्चर्स, डीवीडी या सीडी की शक्ल में मौजूद लेक्चर्स या फिर टीवी चैनल्स पर नशर होने वाले वीडियो लेक्चर्स से इस्तेफादा हासिल कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा तलबा लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, तलबा असातिज़ा के साथ लाइव बातचीत करते हैं और कोर्स से मुतल्लिका मसाइल पर तबादला ख्याल करने के साथ साथ रहनुमाई भी हासिल कर सकते हैं। नंबर 4, ई लर्निंग के लिए जरूरी शराइत। जैसा कि पहले डिस्कस किया गया है,